Hi, and welcome to Virtually Scuba, where barbecue and grilling is made tasty. I'm Brandon Tanner, and today we're going to do bacon burnt ends. So, I saw Malcom Reads just posted this video from somewhere that he saw this, and, I'm going to do a little bit different than he does, but very similar. Just very similar to the pork belly burnt ends, but this is bacon burnt ends. So I went to my local butcher and asked him if I could get basically, cured pork belly, which is just basically bacon, and they cut a slab for me, and so we're gonna cube it up, smoke it, braise it, and then finish it off and glaze it. So really looking forward to this. I haven't done this yet, so this will be my first time, so wait till the end and we'll see what we think. But I have no doubt this is gonna be really good. So if you'd like this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. You guys have been awesome on social media, on the YouTube channel. It's going really good. So with that, I'm going to cube this up into about 1 inch by 1 inch pieces, give or take. I'm going to put some mustard on it, and then I'm going to put some chupacabra seasoning, which is one of my favorite seasonings across the board. And not too much, because the bacon's already fairly salty and already cured, so not too much of the seasoning. But we're going to let that set overnight, and I'll actually put that in the fridge. Again, it's the way I do it. Do it how you want to do it, but I do it overnight and let it sit, in the fridge, but without sealing the top, just to kind of let it break down a little bit more. And then, like I said, we'll smoke it, and really looking forward to this one. I just blasted myself in the face. Alright, so our bacon, got set in real nice overnight in the fridge. And then, I've got these little, basically little trays, or whatever you want to call them, that you can put them on. So I put these on the grill and then put them on there, put a little bit of cook spray on it. Makes it real easy to transfer them, and, they don't have any problems falling through the grates, because they can sometimes, break apart a little bit. So that's something you can do. I have, all the information on what I'm doing here down in the bottom if you click more, as well as links to any types of products or other videos that I'm referencing, stuff like that. So with these, I'll get the grates on there, and then spray them down with some cook spray, so we reduce some of the stickiness, and then get these on there, and then I'll sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on top of them. And I'm running it at 250. And so for these, I'm going to be using the maple hickory cherry pellets from Costco, the gourmet blend. It's kind of my go-to for when I'm doing any type of pork or stuff like that. If I'm doing something real specific, I can use a different specific type of pellet, but for these will be perfect. So we'll get them on there. Alright, so we have these on for right at 2 hours, and in an hour and a half I actually started spraying some apple juice on them, just to kind of get a little more tacky and make sure they stay moist. And these look great. I mean, these things are squishy, juicy, the meat's nice and firm. We got a lot of that fat to render down. The only stuff left is what we're going to want to eat. And so I just, this is a part you can glaze however you want to glaze it. If you just want to use a barbecue sauce or whatever you want to do, that's fine. I do a little bit of barbecue sauce, and this one's the Rufus Tea, a touch of heat. I like a little bit of spice, just a touch of apple cider vinegar, some apple juice, a little bit of the rub we used, and then a little bit more brown sugar. I'll just put this on here, kind of mix it back up, and then we'll put them back up there for maybe 25 more minutes, 30 at the most. Glaze it up, and then we'll be ready to eat. Alright, so we had these on for another 25 minutes, came off. Man, they look just awesome. Nice and tacky, good texture. You know, like I said, you know, we'll do a taste test here, see what they taste like. I've already tasted some, and man, they're really good. I just say, you know, be careful with this, you know, salt, being, you know, I didn't use much, because it's obviously already bacon, so it's already got salt to it, so just be careful with that. But man, these are delicious. You can see the nice squishy, it's not chewy fat, it's real tender, just kind of melts in your mouth like butter. Oh man, that is so good. If you like this type of content, please like, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate the support. Those are good.